Hey, I wanna tell you something. Last week I used something new, and I talking about not my new machine. About this machine I will make review some later because I still don't understand this stuff. Today I want to tell you something about this product, this cartridges. It's new for me, and a few weeks ago Emalla's manager wrote me in social media and asked if I want to try their product and make review. I thought okay, like for many other brands that write me and ask make review, I told this manager that I can make a review, but it will be honest review, it will be truth, because I don't want to lie my subscribers, because if I will recommend something and it will be not good, you understand me. So I respect my subscribers. You must know that every day, for everyday work, I use Cayenne and Quadron. And the answer of this manager surprised me. Okay, no problem. A lot of artists think that our cartridges better than that. Respect, trust in your brand, and I agreed. I read something about read some info, watched social medias about Emalla and was surprised. Pro team, it's really good artist, high level artist, this top, and they work these cartridges. So after a few days of watching, reading, I understand that I want to try it. I really want to try these cartridges. It was exciting, and now in 1 week I use it. Maybe 5 or 6 tattoos, big tattoos I made, and I can tell something. I really love it. Believe me, I really love these cartridges, and I think these cartridges will be perfect for professional tattoo artists and for beginners. Yeah, it's not cheapest, but in the same time it's not the most expensive, and especially for beginners. It will be a really good choice, because beginners must, it's my opinion, beginners must start with good equipment for understanding. For example, tattoo gun not good, not in the best way, and a beginner must understand what was wrong. If you will use not good equipment, not good machine, not good cartridges, needles, you always will think, it's because of machine, it's because of cartridges. When you work good quality stuff, you will be sure that's you fucked up. Please invest in your equipment when you start. When I was younger, and 15 years ago I always use best quality equipment, machines, coil machines, and precision needles. After it was Quadron, that Quadron was in my country was 2 times more expensive than other. After it was cartridges Cayenne, T-Tech, Quadron, and of course I was trying a lot of other brands, but still was sure that Quadron, Cayenne, T-Tech, it's best one. Today I can add to this list this, and I think this cartridge is almost perfect. Yes, almost. I will tell why almost in the end. So what info you can find on their website? The back blister paper is easy to open. What about open? I don't understand really why other brands don't do something like that. Oh, sorry. You see how easy? Just open, take it, close. That's all. Why other brands don't do this? Open, let's see. Yep, easy. Slot design fits 99% of pen machines. Easy. The membrane inside is not easy to pull apart. Have nothing to say because I had no broken cartridges. But a few weeks ago, two cartridges from Cheyenne, I had broken membranes. Soft and strong flexibility membrane material. Looks good, really looks good, quality looks good, everything. You have no any loose here. It's very tight. So the material is better than the other brands, if you tell so. Out the needles with a sterilized certificate. Okay, I hope that. Needles are more sharp and neat under the microscope. Yeah, from the first cartridge, good membrane. From the first cartridge, I really feel that, like sharp and more sharp. So it really feels like more sharp than other cartridges. I don't know how to explain, it maybe sounds funny, but it's like that. You must try it. Medical PC material for the shell, better than the other brands with PVC material. I have no idea what is PVC and what is PC, but I think it's great. So, what I want to tell. I really love how it works. It just put the ink under skin, and they have a lot of configuration, really so many configuration for everyone. You will find that you want. Just try it. I love these cartridges and I think I will work with these cartridges a long time. I can't tell forever, but for a long time I will stay with them. So I recommend you, and you can see few close-ups and video during the work with these cartridges. So thanks.
waste your time.